Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all from anywhere you are watching from. So this is Coach Icon of Capital Coin Ecosystem, and I'm here today to show you how you can set up your smart capital bot fully auto mode. So at first, make sure you have your gas available in your bot. Meanwhile, according to the recent announcement we have from our Ghost developers, it is made known to us that now you can now trade fully auto mode even with the lowest gas package, which is $45 gas package. So which means if you had $45 gas and above, you can still use it to trade on fully auto mode with any trading capital you have. So now and another thing was that concerning the gas packages and your trading capital, make sure you have enough gas in your bot, because any moment your bot is trading on fully auto mode and the gas gets exhausted, the fully auto mode will turn itself off automatically. So make sure gas is not getting finished inside your bot before you top it up or before you buy another gas into it. So that's even more reason I said make sure you have enough gas. So now at first, what you have to do is go into your smart capital bot account on your Chrome browser. So once you reach your smart capital bot account, click on menu, then click on my smart capital bot, that is you want to initiate trade. So if you are using Binance, make sure it's on Binance. If you are using Bybit, make sure it's on Bybit. So this account is based on Binance, So now click on Trading Bot Strategy and select Smart Capital AI. Then click on Bind. Then click on OK. Can you see now? So these are the available gas on this account. This is trading capital. So this trading capital is supposed to be split into two. So which means you can put $200 in spot, the remaining $220 on futures. So this account is a new account. It is a new account. So the money will be splitted into two. So now, as we are now having $400 here, just for this video tutorial purpose. So right now I'm having $400 on futures right now. So, and this is my gas as well. Don't forget I said you can use from $45 gas upward to trade on fully auto mode. So now what you firstly need to do is make sure you activate this box. This is the fully auto mode box. Click on activate. So the moment you activate, the screen will reload itself and synchronize it. So, and this is what I said, anytime your gas gets exhausted, this box will automatically turn itself off. That is, your fully auto mode will stop working until you purchase your gas again from $45 upward. So now let me turn off this box. I will tick the box. Can you see? I've ticked the box. Can you see my page? It reloaded. So now your working capital. So this working capital will now depend on how much you have. So let's say you have $1,000. That is, you have $500 on spot, $500 on futures, or either $400 on spot, $600 on futures. Anyhow you want it. So your working capital here now, it depends on how many trades did you want your robot to be able to do. So if you want your robot to be able to do 4 trades or 5 trades highest with your $1,000 capital, it means that $1,000 divided it into 5. So which means that is $200. So which is your working capital here will be $200. If you want your own bot to be able to do 3 trades at a time or 4 trades at a time, just divide your $1,000 divided by any amount of time you want your bot to be able to enter trade at once. So let's say in my own case now, since I have $400 here, $400 here on this balance, so I want my able to be able to do at least 4 trades at a time if there's plenty signal. So it means automatically if the signal that came is 2, it means your bot will only enter 1 or 2 with $100 each. But if the signal that came at once is like 6, 7, 8. It means maximum your bot can enter 4 trades. So that was because I divided my $400 into 4, which is $100. So now my working capital here now, I put $100, $100. Then I click on update. You don't need to click on start to, only click on update. So you click on update. So the moment you click on update, it will tell you that it was successful. Then click on OK. So that is the simple way of activating your fully auto mode. Don't forget, once you reach this page, you have to activate this bot first. After activating it first, then you input your working capital. After input your working capital, then you click on update. It is as simple as that. Don't click on start smart bot. Don't click on that one, only click on update. So the moment you click on update, your working capital will start showing here. Can you see now? My own working capital is now showing. Working capital is equal to $100. So thank you very much. So that's how you set your fully auto mode. Meanwhile, the high frequency mode is also coming very soon, whereby your bot will be able to do many trades in a day and give you profit without staying long in the market, without countering long-term floating loss. So capital coin to the top. So make sure you position yourself now, load up your Binance with as much as possible trading capital, and load up your bot with your gas too. So the more bigger your trading capital, the more faster your gas can get exhausted, and the more faster your profits get accumulated. So that was it. So thank you very much. See you on our next video.